Welcome to Minnie's Ayurvedic Kitchen. I had planned to make a video on the power of seeds and spices, but after 2 months of listening to every news channel and reading every WhatsApp message and watching YouTube, I came to 2 conclusions. One, that this pandemic called COVID-19 is not going to go away too soon. Pessimists say it's going to be 2 years. Optimists think 2 months. The only thing that will keep us protected is our own healthy and strong immune system. In my first video, Minnie's Power Soup, I had said your body is your own pharmacy. Keep it strong and it will fight its own battle. This is a wake-up call. Keeping our health at optimum level is what we need to do. We all know prevention is better than cure. Only a person with a strong immunity can hope to fight this virus, be it man-made or the nature's wrath. Whether it is HIV, Ebola, SARS, or Corona, they all attack the immune system in humans. Again and again, the word immune system comes to the forefront. If your immune system is strong, the body will fight its own battle, provided it has the strength to do so. Giving that strength to your body is in your hands. Every cell in your body requires energy to function, whether it is delivering nutrients to your brain or pumping oxygen from your heart or producing infection-fighting white blood cells. Your body has its own internal military force. We are at war, but of a different kind. Steve Jobs' last words on his deathbed were, "Friends will laugh with you, family will be sad with you, but no one can take away your pain or share your sickness." In that hour, you are alone and have only yourself and your internal strength to rely on. My last video, The Power Greens, is a combination of many green leaves. Green color comes from chlorophyll, which is synthesized from the sun, which in turn gives us humans the vitamin D that we need desperately these days. Deficiency of vitamin D causes flu-like symptoms. Ordinary flu also is a viral attack on your immune system. Best part is that vitamin D is free just by sitting directly in the sunlight. I'm not suggesting you go out and turn yourself lobster red on the beach. 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes in the late afternoon is normally sufficient. Vitamin D also helps our body absorb calcium, which is very important for your muscles and bones. Think of it like your support system. Apart from vitamin D, we also need zinc, selenium, iron, copper, folic acid, and vitamins A, B, C, and E, which we get from the vegetables and grains we eat. Please watch my videos, Minnie's Power Soups and Minnie's Power Grains. 6 weeks ago, I had flu symptoms, including sneezing, pain in my throat, and fever. Before it could annex my body, I decided to fight fiercely back at Mr. Corona. I'm going to share with you my entire daily routine to show you what I did when I had the flu and what you need to do almost daily until this virus pandemic goes away. And especially if you feel that you have flu-like symptoms coming on. So here is my daily routine. So at 8 a.m. in the morning, I start with a cup of tea, and I call this my magic tea. Start with peppercorns, 4 or 5 peppercorns. They relieve cold and cough. Then I have cinnamon. Cinnamon reduces infection and helps fight the viral. Then I have the star anise, improves digestion and relieves pain. I'm sure everybody knows ginger. Half a teaspoon of roughly chopped ginger. It suppresses viral infection, which is very important. And then, of course, the star of my tea, which is the holy basil. I put about 4 or 5 leaves. Oh boy, it relieves all the symptoms of cough and cold, and it soothes the throat. Basically, this should be enough by itself in the tea. As you can see from my tea kettles, which I gather on my international trips to different countries, I'm a tea lover. So once my magic tea is ready, I make 2 cups at the same time early in the morning. So I don't have to make it again for breakfast. I like to use tea bags. It's lighter than cooking the tea leaves. But if you want stronger tea, by all means go ahead and use tea leaves right in the water. So I leave my tea kettle to brew. It takes about 5 minutes to brew. Of course, having milk or sugar is optional. You can have it with honey. I love my milk, though I don't take sugar. At 9 o'clock, I like to have my breakfast. I personally take egg and toast, but you can have anything as you like as long as there's some protein in it. And then at the same time, you can have the second cup of tea. And 10 o'clock, I take steam for 5 minutes. I use the essential oils like eucalyptus, oregano, lemon, tea tree, and any other oil you like. But this is amazing, and I have this steam 3 times a day. At 11 o'clock, I have the tonic water, which has the quinine in it, and I further make it powerful by putting vitamin C. So I put a sachet of vitamin C. Now we have quinine and combination of vitamin C. How powerful can that be? As you can see, every hour I do something. So around 12, I like to have an orange or a mango. And if mangoes are not available, oranges are fine. 1 o'clock, you can have your lunch, or you can choose to have Minnie's Power Greens, loaded with vitamins and minerals. And at that time, please don't have cold water. You can have hot water with fresh lime. 3 o'clock, I take steam again. And then at 4 o'clock, I have hot tea, the same way I make at 8 o'clock in the morning. At 6 o'clock, I like to have the Minnie's Power Soup, which is the best combination of herbs, spices, vegetables for boosting your immune system. At 8 o'clock, I like to have my dinner, which is Minnie's Power Greens or grains, whichever you like. Go and see my videos and you'll get the whole recipe, but you can have whatever you want. The recipes that I have shared with you so far, they can all be frozen. You don't have to keep making fresh every day. The day you make it fresh, a certain amount you can keep in the fridge, which will last for 4 or 5 days. Others, you can have small serving size boxes and you can freeze. I freeze for up to 3 months. The last thing I do before sleeping could be 10:30. I have a cup of hot milk with a little bit of turmeric. Turmeric is healing, soothing, and it fights infection. I heat up the milk for 1 minute. These days, we are not supposed to have anything cold, everything hot. So it's very important that you have hot milk. I put about 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. The turmeric mixes very well with the milk, and of course honey is optional. If you want something sweet, you can put honey in it. Otherwise, by itself, it's good enough. For the night, I like to keep a flask of hot water, and I put a half a lemon juice in it. At night, for some reason, we start having a bit of irritation or a dry cough. I have these pills from India. I just keep one tiny pill in my mouth and I go back to sleep. But you can have any other cough drop. The other things you can do around the house, over and above making sure your immune system is strong, is to make sure that your house is clean and disinfected. I cut an onion into half and I leave these bowls in different places to pick up the virus. Mr. Corona does not like onions, and onions loves to pick up the virus. So please have this onion lying around, maybe on the kitchen counter or in the living room, wherever you feel that you would like to purify the air. Camphor is antibacterial and antifungal. It also helps in improving the respiratory system. so that we can breathe more freely. So have camphor burning. I keep it on my kitchen table, but it's up to you. Essence sticks remove the unpleasant odor. So if you cannot take the smell of the onion around the house, you can burn incense. Incense is also supposed to be auspicious and healthy. Actually, all the religions in the world use incense for spirituality and religious functions. Periodically, I'll wipe down all the counters and the doorknobs of the house. So I just spray the disinfectant on the towel and I wipe down all the doorknobs, the door, and the counters. Never reach a stage where the virus overpowers your power. Attack immediately. Fear brings stress, and stress has a direct relationship with your immune system. Stay upbeat, smiling, laugh out aloud even at the repeated and stale jokes sent on WhatsApp messages. Have a positive attitude. Hope is what keeps us going. Do not lose hope. Hope for better days to come. Take this opportunity to spend time with your family and learn to love them again. And please don't forget to wear your face mask, gloves, and cover your hair. I want to acknowledge and thank my neighbor, Cowrie Hall, who makes these lovely cotton masks, and she leaves them hanging on the doorknob of your house, and she doesn't want anything. It's her own charitable way of doing something for the neighbors. The best part is you can wash this as often as you like. Or what I do is, when I come home, I just heat up the iron and I disinfect it with the hot iron. So it's so convenient. And please wear gloves all the time when you go out especially. And frankly, I even wear a shower cap when I go out. Again, I want to reiterate, I'm not a doctor or a health practitioner. I just felt like sharing what I do from my knowledge of Ayurveda and general observations. Please share this video with all your contacts. It's so important to make your immune system strong and fight back the virus. Next video from Minnie's Ayurvedic Kitchen is going to be Minnie's Power Seeds and Spices. Please don't forget to share the video with others and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you soon. Stay healthy and strong.